Okay, this video is about a Google form that I created last year to send out to parents for teacher conferences. So we just gave them a little message that we were going to try to do this as easy as possible. This went straight to their phones. And it gave them a little rundown of the information of when conferences were going to be held. And then it automatically collects their email address already. Plus, they have a spot to add any additional email addresses that they would like to add. Also, what was on, so we asked for the student information, their phone numbers, emails, again, if it wasn't, if they wanted to add a different one, and whether or not they even wanted to meet for a conference. So this Google form is set up with conditions. So if they said they did not feel that they needed one, then that was the end of the Google form. If they said that they wanted a phone call, it went to the next section, and you can see by how it's set up, we have conditions where based on your answer, it goes to a different screen. So obviously the first one, they didn't want a conference, it goes to section 4. If they did want a phone call, they went to section 3. And if they wanted to schedule a conference, they went to section 3. And then I'll show you what the sections look like. So section 3, obviously, is the teachers' names at the top, and then, as you can see, and then all the times that they got to select. We asked them for their top 3 choices because we know that we can't always accommodate everybody's first choice. This was really, really good for us because it allowed us to the variety. And then we had section 4, which was just kind of, was this an easy way to do things? So that was good. So this is a way, and it really worked well. We had, if we had done this on paper, we would have gotten probably maybe, I don't know, 15 or 20 responses, but we did receive 32 responses. And you can see how, I'm going to skip through all the emails and the names, but you can see when, so like it gives you your chart. And once you export this data to a spreadsheet, it looks 10 times better. But just to let you know about the bottom question, was this easy for the majority of parents thought it was truly easy and convenient for them to use. So that was a good thing. And once you, again, I know this is a weird way to look at the data and everything, but when you put this to a spreadsheet, it is 10 times easier to see the data. All right, that's about it. So that is using Google Forms to get parent information. Bye.